So this guy was bitten by a big ant.
Felt like a wasp.
Yeah,
Tonic food will not have ice, milk.
Em khỏe quá vậy.
Có nhiều loài động vật.
We are ready with all information. I have never traveled in a bus like this. Night tour. Oh my god, I see one animal. This one.
Cinderella.
I'm not ready for this scene.
Stay tuned.
Heyo people, welcome to my Vodcast Life Adventures. In today's episode we are going to the national park Cat Tien. We are starting our ride from Crocodile seaside. It's gonna take us 3 hours to get there. It's 6 a.m. Yeah, I wanted to say that. It's 6 a.m. and it's super active. People having breakfast, shops open, cafes open, so people here start the day really early. I'm also impressed because I'm seeing people with their children going to the beach at 6 a.m. That's crazy.
This guy, the one that is taking us in the taxi, he didn't know he was being paid to have a recording studio. He had recorded like bloody idiots.
So we have arrived to the bus station and we have arrived at 6 something. So there is no bus. I mean, there is bus at 7 a.m. but it got full. So if you're traveling in Vietnam, the buses get full. So right now we need to take a much longer ride. We go to Ho Chi Minh City where we landed, and from there we'll take the bus to Tam Phu, and from there we'll take a motorbike scooter ride. And as you can see, they are taking off shoes for entering the bus. Alright, so we have arrived to Ho Chi Minh. The bus was 280,000 dong. And now we took another ticket to Tam Phu, which is 400,000. That's for both of us. Can you order a package?
Yeah.
Something. 405. And there it is.
Bảo. Đặt chỉ xuống tao cái Bảo ơi.
So we are getting to a fancy bus. I have never traveled in a bus like this. That's amazing. I didn't expect this gonna be like this at all. Wow. Can you see the numbers of our seats? Here? These are seats and I'm stuck. We didn't sleep at all, and actually this one we can. You see him? You don't need to see him. Wow, that's really cool. When they told us like you're gonna have the seat up, I didn't expect we're gonna have this. Look at this privacy. You can lay down like this, or like that. It's really good. I like it.
Yeah, of course. I mean, we can sleep again. That's amazing.
You have little neighbors, no?
The neighbor is sleeping already.
Ah, yeah, we have. They already sleeping. Should we sneak in?
No.
And also we have the blanket. I don't think I'm gonna use it.
It's not so cool.
Here, air conditioning. New neighbors coming in. Somebody just jumped in.
Next scene.
So let's mention where we are. We are in Southeast Asia, in the south of Vietnam, and right now we are traveling from the Ho Chi Minh City to the Cat Tien National Park. Cat Tien is one of Vietnam's major biodiversity hotspots located in southern Vietnam. It's known for its variety of ecosystem, moist evergreen forests, wetlands, swamps, ponds, streams, flooded areas and grasslands. Okay, so we have arrived to our accommodation. It started raining. It looks misty. Who would tell that instead of 3 hours we have been traveling 12-13 hours, right?
Yes.
We started traveling with the first rays of sun. We started traveling and we came with the last. As you can see, it's already dark, and now we will go for a night tour. We asked the Airbnb accommodation to book us the tour, so we are not late. So this is my room. Fancy, isn't it? Pinky. And as you can hear, the rain outside is falling. It feels like I'm sleeping outside. Gotta show this one. I really like it.
Rồi. Sau khi băng qua sông, bạn đi bộ đến ghế tân của khu rừng và họ sẽ đưa cho bạn ghế.
Hai bạn đã ăn tối chưa? Nhưng là xe máy để lại đúng không? Ok. Cá sấu thì mình đăng ký là họ sẽ hướng dẫn mình đi. Có nhiều loài động vật ăn đêm như bò tót, heo rừng, nai, chồn, các loại.
For our friends, we just got introduction to the garden and all the details. So I feel like we are ready with all the information. Are we?
Đà Nẵng. It's called Lăng-Cô in Huế. So it's very have a lot of popular place to.
Hello, Cinderella.
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 I'm not ready for this scene.
No, Cinderella, no. Rapunzel.
Okay.
For the first time in forever. Da da dee da 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 da. Oh my God, Rapunzel.
Okay, go back.
What are those models?
Go back. We have been asking this guy. I changed the topic.
It's okay.
Asking this guy, like, has he ever been bitten by any snake? And he said, like 3 years ago, a snake threw venom in his eye, so he needed to go to hospital. So look around, like easily snake can come in over here, but
It's open.
it's very unique. I really like it.
Yeah. You know something fun?
And in 30 minutes we're going to go for the night tour in like safari around the. I didn't finish. Around the forest, so I'm really excited. And they say it was raining, so probably they will not be so active, but hopefully we'll see them. They say elephants we won't see because they are really protected in this country.
Alex literally asked him around 500 questions in 20 minutes. The guy was like, Jesus, please stop.
So many questions.
Onto the counter.
We have arrived a little bit early, so this is a ferry that's gonna take us, and I was expecting less people, but it's more than 20. Crossing to the forbidden side.
In the evening time, I don't know why Alex wants to see my brain. What?
Because I don't hear you.
You don't hear me? Okay, it doesn't matter. to get us to the place where we are supposed to go see kind of animals during the night. So
Kind of animals.
huh?
Kind of animals.
Lot of animals and kind of a safari. Let's see what we find.
Okay, after the long day, here we are, ready for some night tour. Oh my god, I see one animal. Oh, what is that?
This one.
Bây giờ cũng còn khá là hiếm nè. Ốc. Chị nhìn thấy nó có một cái cục tròn vo ở trên cây nè. Đúng rồi, nằm giữa cái lá cây nè.
Yeah, it seems like it's hurt on the throat. Ah, there. Wow, biggest horns. He's coming here. Their ears. Are sleeping.
Cái này chim bàng Anh nè.
That one, the one sounding.
But that one is hurt, no? No, it's something small, something else. What's the name? India Manjak. Okay, good morning from my little room. So it's 7 a.m. We're supposed to wake up really early to go for gibbons trekking, but it seems like the tour was cancelled, so we are starting our day a little bit later and we will go for river boating. I'm preparing. How do I look? And yeah, in 50s where it was much more wild. spot. And right now we're gonna take the river boating, rivering, whatever.
Boat rivering.
So this river is very important for this region, and we're gonna spot some wildlife, wild animals, maybe fishes if we have luck, and some wild nature. So let's see how it goes.
Stay tuned.
We are going with a small boat, which is even more exciting.
Ok. Rồi. Rồi.
Okay, mate.
Rồi đi ra rồi. Không ngồi đỡ được ra đâu.
Are you scared?
I sit here.
Yeah. It's like just sit.
Coi Phú ơi, có cái gâu đằng sau á. Phú nói bàn đưa cho cái gâu tạt chung xuống để cho khô này.
Cái gầu. Dạ.
Are we already going down
Yeah.
with water?
Okay.
Other way.
Oh.
Yes. So, Titanic tour will not have got some water. Wow, it's so beautiful. Look at the other side. Well, we're going left more into the park.
Yeah.
Wow, I'm excited about this because yesterday night tour, it was nice to be inside, but I feel like
This one is the real experience of like the live action of it.
the river. Here we are, where the crocodiles. We cannot move a lot. Wow. Ooh. First one to go. Okay, this part of water becomes much more vivid. As you can see, wow, we can't even raft on this one. Look, there is crocodile, you see?
No, it's not crocodile. It's just a
I saw it. I don't know if you can hear because of the noise of the river, the sounds of forest. There's so many birds singing. small one.
Yeah, they're jumping.
Wow, there is so many. I didn't see those.
Hi monkey. Khỉ đít đỏ. Bình tĩnh, bình tĩnh.
He's giving us a good show.
Yeah.
Bình tĩnh.
That one would bite us. And for these ones, they need to go down. Because the boss said so.
But these ones look prettier than the ones in the temple.
That small. Yeah, I recorded him.
Ở đâu vậy chị? À, con nhỏ.
Look at this one with
Ah, the baby.
Oops. Trời dễ
Ah,
thương
it's
vậy trời.
milk.
Ôm đứa con bé để buồn.
Ôi, dễ thương vậy. Ồ.
Am I too close? Do you think they can jump on me?
Maybe.
Ôi chú ơi đừng có vô nha chú. Nó trèo lên thuyền hết.
You wanna get closer?
Look at this one, this white wing. So pretty. You see it?
Yeah.
Giờ khám. Còn thì đưa cái mã thôi là được rồi. Thì mai con đi thêm mà.
Gibbons, they were not there. But maybe now on the way back we're gonna see them.
Ready, I'm ready to see them.
I feel like swollen. Did I get fat?
You didn't sleep enough. You don't
I
sleep
got
enough.
swollen? Here, I don't think so. I think I got some weight. Yeah, that one is different. I think I'm gonna buy the green one. She gave me the biggest one.
Hey.
This is the group of head guys.
I have an extra one if you guys want to join. Here it is for you. Put your head. Doesn't matter. Look at the head.
Here we are inside the forest, rainforest. biggest trees over here. I think it's called tung. So many of them, they have over 200 years. They are ancient trees. So they have like big roots like these ones. Well, I imagine even bigger because I have seen some photos. So let's find it. Let's see what we find. As you can see, this one root is like a whole wall. Goes really high. I can't even see from this side. Wow, but look how that's like, I think 6 meters or even more. 6 meters like long. I don't know if that's roots or they're just normal color. Wow, come over here.
Kim đen à?
Vô đây mới được.
Okay, so here, welcome to your Airbnb. Here you have your separate room.
Wow.
Here is the shower.
Yeah,
It's crazy. It's like literally like walls. So the park's flora includes very old trees, a banyan tree with a hollow trunk big enough for several people, and a banglang tree nearly 300 years old with huge roots that stretch near streams. In Cat Tien National Park, one of the most famous ancient trees is actually the tang tree. Well, I'm not sure if it's tung or tang. It's estimated to be 400 to 500 years old. The trunk is massive, over 20 meters around, with huge roots spreading out like walls. Many visitors say it feels like standing next to a giant of the forest, and monks in the past often meditated around such trees because of their serenity. So while there are also old banyans and banglang trees in the park, the tang tree is the iconic giant that everyone mentions. Come on. I think this one is the biggest one.
Yeah, so far, yeah.
How wide? From there over there. Wow, it seems so nice. Male.
So this guy was bitten by a big ant.
Felt like a wasp. It's like really, you know, like needle. It's quite strong.
Yeah.
Like the ant was black and like this big.
Yeah.
I guess it's okay. As the day came to an end, it felt like more than just saying goodbye to this place. It was a closing, a chapter of discovery. Walking away from the forest, I carried with me not only memories of its beauty, but also the quiet reminder of how deeply we are connected to nature. Every tree, every sound, every breath in this place invites us to slow down, to notice, and to truly be here. Life is always rushing forward, but when we pause to appreciate the world around us, its colors, its silence, its small wonders, we remember what it means to live fully. This adventure may be over, but the real journey continues inside. Cherishing the present moment, seeing beauty in the simplest things, and letting gratitude guide the way forward. If you have enjoyed sharing this journey with me, don't forget to like, comment your favorite moment, and subscribe for more adventures to come. We are closing this episode from a little cottage somewhere in Asia, listening to the cozy rain sound.